Okay. Good morning, students. As you can see, in today's chapter, we will be learning chapter 3, My Family. So, as I have told you earlier also that a family, what is a family? Family is a group of people who lives together. So, here I can see that Saina draws a picture of her family. As you can see here in your book also you can see that Saina has drawn a picture of her family in a competition, school drawing competition. She tells her teacher about her family. So she is doing what? She is telling about her family to her teacher. She is Saina and she is her teacher. So I live with my father. She is telling what? That she lives with her father. She lives with her father. She lives with her and father, mother, and younger brother. She is having three families. She is having her father, her mother, one younger brother, and herself. So she is telling like this. So now here I can see, you also can just underline it. A family, what is a family? A family is a group of people related to each other. Yes, children, family members are blood related. They are related to each other. Grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts and children together make a family. So, in a family, our parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts and their children, means our cousins, can live together. All members of a family may live together or may not live together in the same house. Yes, we can live like in a family, only it may be a nuclear family or a joint family. Now we will learn what is a nuclear family. First of all, let me rub this for you so that I can make you understand. See, now nuclear family. See, what is a nuclear family? Nuclear means small. Small. Nuclear means what? Small. So a nuclear family has only parents and children. So in this picture you can see father is there, mother is there and one child. Okay. So this is we can say that this is a nuclear family, and here also father, mother and their children. So this is a kind of small family, right? Now as in the live class I taught you what is a surname. Basically surname is common, like we have two names. One is main name, that is like my name is Aparna Gupta. So Aparna is the first name and the Gupta is the surname. So all of you also have surname. It is common in our family. Next one. The next very important, that is the type of the next family, that is joint family. What is a joint family? Underline everybody. A joint family has grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts and cousins living together in the same house. So in nuclear family only parents and their children live together, but in a joint family grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, cousins live together in the same house. Excuse me. So first of all you can ask me that, oh, ma'am, who are our grandparents? So grandparents are our parents' parents. Our parents' parents are our grandparents. Now our next topic is how we are related. Yes, this is a very basic question, that how we are related to each other, right? So let's meet Saina's family. So it is saying that we will introduce with Saina's family. She is Saina. He is his brother. He is who? He is his brother. And Saina's parents are Saina's parents, mother and father. Now they are Saina's grandparents. We will introduce. She is introducing us with her grandparents. So she is Saina's mother. Saina's mother's mother is Saina's grandmother. Saina's father is Saina's grandfather. Saina's mother's father is Saina's grandfather. Like the same way, Saina's father's mother is Saina's grandmother, and Saina's father's father is her grandfather. So, it is written, just underline it children, Saina's father's, wait a bit. Saina's father's or mother's sister is her aunt. Saina's parents are her grandparents. Underline this one also and underline this one also. Saina's father's or mother's sister is her aunt. Means we call it auntie or mashi. Her mother's or father's brother is her uncle. Underline it children. Okay, coming to our next point. Yes, you see, Saina's mother's sister is Saina's aunt and Saina's mother's brother is uncle. Simultaneously the same way, Saina's father's sister is Saina's aunt or auntie and his brother is, Saina's father's brother is Saina's uncle. Now, yes, it is written the same way. Now you need to underline this thing, that Saina's uncle or aunt's children are her cousins. Yes, we all have our cousin sisters and brothers. So here also Saina's uncles or aunt's children are her cousins. Saina's grandparents, Saina is, who is Saina? Saina is her grandparents' granddaughter. She is daughter of her mother and father, but she is simultaneously she is granddaughter of her grandparents and her brother is their grandson. So Saina's mother's parents, like Saina's mother's parents are our Saina's grandparents, and Saina is their granddaughter and Saina's brother is their grandson. Now coming to our exercise time. Now you can see. Yes, circle the correct answer. So, aunt's husband is uncle or cousin? Tell me children. Aunt's husband is uncle or cousin? Uncle only. Very good. Uncle's wife is grandmother? No. Uncle's wife is aunt. So, it is clear. Now, one very important topic I want to discuss with you. Now, let me rub this. Yes, this is the most important thing in these things. We need to do it in a very clear manner. You know children, you know what? We need to help the people in our family. We need to help each other, and basically we need to help our grandparents. You know, they are one kind of blessings. God bless us with our grandparents. So here it is written, and you need to follow all this point. Helping one another. You know children, helping means caring. So you need to care for them. Our grandparents play with us. Yes, they play with us. They give their whole time. They spend their whole time with us. They spend their whole time with us, right? So they tell us stories. Yes, stories of king, demons. They are like blessings, as I told you already. And take us to the park. Yes, when our parents are busy, they only take us to the park. They do many things for other. They think so many things for us to show their love. They show that they do our work. Why? Because they love us. So it's our duty also to love them. Our parents look after our needs. Yes, children, suppose you need a pen. To whom you will say that I need a pen? To the neighbors? No. You will tell your need to your parents. It is our parents only who fulfill our all needs. We can also show our love to our family in many ways. So do you want to know in which way you can help your parents? So here are these. Wish everybody good morning and good night. When we will get up from bed in the morning, you wish everybody good morning Papa, good morning Mama, Granny, Grandpa, like this. And also when you will go to bed, that time also you need to wish them as like good night. Do not disobey your elders or be rude to them. Don't do whatever they will say, just do the same. If they ask you for help, just do that. Don't say no, I don't have time, I won't do it. No. Don't be rude, be polite. The next very important thing, take care of a family member who is unwell. Suppose your mama is having fever, take care of her. If your father is not well, take care of him. Do not be rude to your brother and sister. Yes, children, you see, you are having younger brother or younger sister. If you are having, then please, it's a request, don't be rude. Be polite. Help everyone at home. Yes, help your mother in kitchen if possible for you. If it is like your work, if your mama is asking something for you to bring that bottle or just bring that vegetable, like a small help can do a wonder. Okay, so these points are completed. Let me rub this. Now grandma asks, you can do it easily. Who brings happiness to the family? Marketing. Sharing and caring? Yes. Now we will give a tick. Meeting relatives? Yes. Keeping distance from family members? No. It is wrong. So do this in your book. Next, coming to our next point. Yes, we can see some children are doing some work. You can see that some children are doing the work. Suppose you can see this boy is keeping the book. So I will write here this thing. This line should come here. Arranging books. Now this boy is doing what? Eating something or polishing shoes? Yes, polishing shoes. So here it will come like this. She is giving water to plants. So this will go here. Now dusting. She is cleaning the stuff. She is cleaning the kitchen. So dusting will come here. Like the same way, don't make this mark. You will just need to write watering plants, dusting, polishing shoes, arranging books. That's it. Now, this question answer I will discuss in online classes. Still I am saying what is a family? As I told you earlier also that family is a group of people live together. What is a nuclear family? Nuclear family is a family in which parents and their children only live together. Now the next question is, what is a joint family? A joint family is that type of family where parents, grandparents, uncle, aunt and their children live together. So this part completed. Coming to our next. Write 2 ways in which you help your family. You can write that helping mom in dusting the kitchen or dusting the room, helping papa or father in watering plants, like that you can write. Now the next one is yes or no. Okay, so yes. Parents, first one has been done for us. Mother's brother is grandfather? No. Mother's brother is our uncle. It is written like the same way. You need to write parents are cousin. No. N-O, no. I will write here N-O, no. So what will be the answer? Parents are grandparents. I am writing this one. So now you will do by yourself. Grandparents. Yes. So parents are cousins. No, they are grandparents. Next one is father's brother is uncle. You will write yes. So in the same way you need to complete this. Now the next one is uncle's mother's sister is grandmother. No, she is aunt. You will write here aunt. Uncle's children are parents. Here you will write no, they are cousins. Uncle's wife is aunt. Yes, write the same here. Who did the right thing? Put a tick and cross. It's very easy, children. I am showing you only one. The next thing you will do by yourself. Did you wish your family good morning today? Zoya, yes. Then give a tick here. No, I forgot. Cross. I never wish. Cross. So, like the same way, you need to complete these things, right? You need to complete the worksheet or the board here, and you need to paste a photograph of your family member in this frame. It's a kind of photo frame. You need to paste a photo. You need to paste a photo over here. Clear? Coming to our next. It's very common thing that what we call what. Like I call my mother Ma. So I will write here Ma. Like the same way, whatever you call to your family members, you need to write here. Okay? Like if you call your wait a bit. If you call your mother's sister, means your auntie as Mashi, you write the same way. Okay? Yes and no. Let's revise. It's very easy. You can do it easily. Okay? Like first thing I am doing it for you. Sir, Sia can play football with her ears. Is it true, children? Tell me. So, no. Here I will write no. Like the same way you will read. I can lick and taste honey with tongue. Yes. So, I will write here yes. Ronaldo can kick a ball with his foot. Yes. Uncle's children are siblings. No. A nuclear family has only parents and children. Yes. So, you will write this. Right? Now, fill in the blanks. We write with our hands. Our dash up seed grows up to be a sapling. Dash make help us to move our or turn our head from side to side. Our parents look after our all needs. We should not be rude to our brothers and sisters. In our online classes, we will do the same. Okay? And this is very easy thing. This is one of the most easiest things. Circle the odd one out. Our grandma does what? Reading textbook, reading newspaper. Will she be able to lift this much weight? No. So we will circle this. Now you see this this young boy is like crawling. So one boy is playing like riding a scooter, and this one is lifting a like weight. So this one is odd. So like the same way you need to circle the odd, right? Clear, children? You will do this, and in our online classes we will complete it in a very easy manner. So I hope you enjoy the video. Watch it and have a nice time. Bye bye.